new watching this video, just hit that subscribe button and then join the Knot Nation where we talk about daily dreadlock content. Let's go.
I'm doing a video today. I wanted to talk about my favorite dreadlock hairstyles: fade with dreads, high top dreads, dread mohawks, undercut dreadlocks, short dreads, long dreads, dreadlock with taper on the side, braided dreadlocks, dyed dreads, dreads on top, side part dreads, barrel twist dreads, 2-strand twisted dreads, bantu dreads, sock bun dreads, ponytail dreads, pigtail dreads, tri-tail dreads. There's tons of different styles that you can really do, but I just chose 3 of my favorite that are more of the minimal style as well, because I'm not too big on styling my dreadlocks. I either stuff them up in a tam or tie them back in a ponytail or wear them down. That's pretty much it for me. But sometimes I do put them on top of my head in a wraparound bun. Today, my styles that I really wanted to talk about are actually the following. Side parted dreads. These are dreadlocks that are often flipped to the side like this. This is one of my favorite styles of wearing my dreadlocks because of the functionality of it. It does allow for a lot of airflow to reach down the side of your head and your neck if it is a hot day and you're looking for some relief. Now myself, I don't have my sides shaved down, but some people might clean this area up for this style to have an even bigger effect. It does look pretty cool, especially if you can get the designs put in here. And it does feel really good as well. And the best thing is, it's super simple. It's super simple to do it. And you can do it on the other side as well. Sometimes people will even put a ponytail or something. I mean, it's up to you how you want to style it, but this is definitely one of the easiest ways to style locks. And while I'm on the same note, with my freeform locks, I have a lot of frizzy hair. So I think a lot of times before I'm meeting people or greeting people, I'll often style my hair just like this before I enter a building or something if I have flyaways happening, because I can always tame it momentarily like this and then I can go in. So the frizzy hairs aren't really much of a bother, which brings me to this being my second style that I really love on my locks the most, is just having them down. You know, whether it's in front of the shoulders like this or if I put it behind my shoulders, it's good to have it in this position because it allows your hair to relax and breathe with no tension anywhere being pulled on it, and your hairline really thanks you as well. Bringing me to my third favorite style is the easy tie back with just like 2 random locks. Tying my hair back like that really quick. This is probably a daily look for me because at times when like I'm eating or doing something that needs my hair out of the way, that's always the easiest way to get it done. So that's another big style with my dreadlocks. The other style that I really do appreciate styling my dreadlocks is actually having a beard and full beard with locks. Now this is a look on its own. This is a style. Not everybody with dreads will always grow the beard to go with it, but I personally feel that it's one of my favorite styles, and it's something that I actually only picked up on recently, because if you've been around this channel for a long time, you'd see that I used to trim my beard a lot. I used to shave my neck, and my goatee and my mustache would always be shaved with my dreadlock style at the beginning of this journey. And now I'm embracing the dreadlocks with the beard because dreads and beards naturally they go together, and this is what I've always seen. People that do rock this style do tend to look kind of similar. It's funny that it kind of turns out this way, but almost all dreadlocks can be enhanced by a masculine well-kept beard. From stubble to short facial hair to long beard styles, your locks will look better with a beard. And it's true, and I just feel better with a beard, to be honest. A lot of issues I've had with shaving my neck is that I would always get razor bump and stubble burn and just issues upon issues with my skin being irritated after shaving. And now that I just grow my neck in and let it be free, like I don't get any of those issues anymore, and it's amazing. It's so freeing. So neck beards, full beards with dreadlocks is definitely the way to go in 2021. Which brings me to my last style that I really do appreciate with locks. I'm not there yet, but trust me, I will be rocking it this way in time to come. And that is gray dreadlocks, and specifically this one is gray dreadlocks with a beard as well. Gray dreadlocks, they demonstrate a uniqueness with a hairstyle that works well for guys of any age. It's a growing trend. Silver foxes sport masculine gray hairstyles and still look good as they get older. This look is all about embracing your age and saying no to hair dye by letting your naturally colored hair shine. Gray dreads can be worn long or short, obviously, with the key is to let your hair be natural. You can pair the style with a groomed beard for a manly touch, or ungroomed. My beard's ungroomed pretty much, but yes, one day that's why I don't fucks with hair dye either. Like, I try to keep my natural hair color, and when these puppies turn gray, trust me, you'll still be seeing me on YouTube or the internet. Maybe YouTube will be different by this time, but you'll still be seeing me somewhere in media, wherever it is. I don't know what the future entails for us, but I'll still be around making videos, and you guys can see my gray hair. It's already starting at the top, actually. It's already coming in. It's already kind of coming in. So that's pretty much my styles of dreadlocks that I really love the most. I'm definitely interested in what you guys love the most in dreadlock styles, and leave me a comment down below, because this is where the discussions happen. Don't be shy, engage in the community that you can also be a part of on Reddit, place on the internet where you can come by and talk with the fellow members, and you have any questions or concerns regarding dreadlocks and the journeys involved with them. So that's it for me. I'll see you guys next time. I wish you guys the best and blessed day, and just, smile more. I'm gone. Adios.